everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at an old piece of furniture or a forgotten household item and wondered if it could have a second life? Well, today, we're going to unlock that potential right in your garden. We're diving into 50 brilliant ways to upcycle old furniture and treasures, transforming them into stunning and unique decor for your backyard, patio, or porch. If you love creativity, saving money, and adding character to your home, you're in for a treat. Let's get inspired. The beauty of upcycling is seeing the possibilities in something old. It's about taking items that might otherwise be discarded and giving them a fresh purpose, often creating a more charming and personal outdoor space than anything you could buy new. Let's explore some fantastic ideas to get your imagination flowing. Old dresser planter. Take an old wooden dresser, remove some drawers, and use them as tiered planters. Paint it a vibrant color or distress it for a shabby chic look. Repurposed chair plant stand. An old wooden chair, even if missing its seat, can be painted and used as a unique plant stand. Place a potted plant where the seat used to be. Vintage bathtub planter. A clawfoot bathtub, though a larger find, makes an incredible whimsical planter for flowers or even a small vegetable patch. Pallet vertical garden. Disassemble and reassemble wooden shipping pallets to create easy and effective vertical gardens, perfect for herbs, succulents, or strawberries. Old bicycle decor. Paint an old bicycle a bright color and place it in your garden as a charming display. Add baskets or planters to the handlebars and seat for flowers. Ladder shelf display. An old wooden ladder can be leaned against a wall or tree and used as a multi-tiered shelf for displaying potted plants, small lanterns, or garden tools. Tire planters. Old tires can be painted in fun colors and stacked or arranged to create unique, durable planters for flowers or small shrubs. Kitchen sink herb garden. An old kitchen sink can be repurposed as a rustic herb garden. The built-in basin and drain make it surprisingly practical. Drawer wall planters. Individual wooden drawers can be lined, mounted to a fence or wall, and used as charming wall planters for a tiered display. Old boot planters. Don't throw away worn-out rubber boots or wellies. Fill them with soil and small, cheerful flowers for a quirky touch. Bed frame trellis. The metal headboard and footboard of an old bed frame can be repurposed as a decorative trellis for climbing roses, clematis, or other vines. Wagon wheel decor. A vintage wooden wagon wheel can be a beautiful rustic accent when leaned against a fence, used as a garden gate, or even laid flat as a unique base for a table. Tin can luminaries. Empty tin cans can be cleaned, holes punched into them in decorative patterns, and then fitted with LED candles to create enchanting luminaries for evening ambience. Old mailbox planter. A vintage mailbox can be mounted on a post and used as a small, unique planter for trailing plants or even for storing gardening gloves. Suitcase planter. An old hard-sided suitcase can be opened, lined with plastic, and filled with soil to create a truly unique and portable miniature garden. Isn't it amazing how much character and beauty you can add to your outdoor space simply by looking at old items with fresh eyes? These ideas prove that great garden decor doesn't have to be expensive. I hope these ideas have truly sparked your creativity for your next garden project. Which upcycled treasure are you most excited to transform? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more creative home and garden ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.